I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to forget a Bluetooth device on a macOS device, such as an iMac or a MacBook. Step 1. Click to open the System Settings app. Step 2. Scroll down the menu on the left side of the window and then click Bluetooth. You'll see all of the Bluetooth devices your iMac or MacBook is currently connected to in the My Devices section. Step 3. Click the eye icon next to the Bluetooth device you want to forget. Step 4. Click Forget this device if you no longer want your iMac or MacBook to remember this device. A window pops up asking if you want to forget this device. Step 5. Click Forget Device. That device will be disconnected and forgotten immediately. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.